Hey boos, in this video I give commentary based on my opinion. Nothing is to be taken as factual. We are just here to have conversation. We don't expose and we don't sip tea on this channel. I'm giving you real talk straight, no chaser. Let's see if you can handle it.
Cause I'm a boss.
Oh, hell no. Hi guys, it's Yoni and I'm back with another video. So I wanted to hop on here and talk about the Ariana Fletcher and Moneybag Yo situation. So I'm probably going to title this video, You Know It's You When the Same Behavioral Patterns from Men Carry from Relationship to Relationship in Relationship.
It was reported by the Jasmine Brand blog that Moneybag Yo and Ari Fletcher were in a physical altercation. Now this is all alleged. Moneybag Yo was hosting at Exchange in Miami. He walked out first and then Ari ran after him without her shoes on and punched him from the back. An eyewitness also said she was chasing after him. I'm pretty sure I saw her wig come off too.
When we look at the history of Ariana Fletcher, the men, they react the same when it comes to her. A lot of people were saying that, oh no, it's G Herbo, G Herbo, G Herbo. When G Herbo and Ariana Fletcher were together, yes, I can agree because he was reactive. He reacted to the things that she did, and in some cases he egged her on to do it in different ways, like maybe he cheated, maybe he got caught talking to other girls knowing that it would upset her, or maybe he would do like little petty things to get a reaction out of her intentionally. So I don't want to make it seem like G Herbo is innocent because he's not. However, it's very evident that Ariana Fletcher has a very toxic nature. She's super masculine and she seems to bring out the worst in men. And so I wanted to talk about this. As a woman, what do you do when you find yourself carrying toxic traits from relationship to relationship? What do you do? In not all cases does this have to be romantically. This could be friendships. Is it that whenever you meet a new friend, a new girlfriend, or maybe a new homie if you're a male, and you seem to always get the same fallout, but you never know why? And maybe it's you. Maybe it is you, and maybe you should seek help because maybe you are causing these issues. We, for so long, would blame G Herbo for the way Ariana Fletcher is, but it's like this girl has been in 2 other relationships and she is still behaving the same, and the man that she's with is also mirroring the man that she was in a relationship prior. Part of it, when I look at Ariana Fletcher and I look at her situation just based off of her lives and videos that she has done in the past and just her overall behavior that she demonstrates on Twitter, some of it I feel is her, right? But some of it I feel is the type of men that she either attracts or that she goes for. So when speaking on this topic of conversation, we as women, sometimes we love to blame men and we like to victimize ourselves, but a lot of it could have been avoided if we simply picked better quality. And it just seems like Ariana Fletcher doesn't want to do that. Ariana Fletcher has made it very known on Twitter that she's into thugs, she's into the bad boy, she's just really into that. It is alleged recently that Moneybag Yo and Ariana Fletcher got into a physical altercation, which this isn't new. If you have been following Ariana Fletcher, then you know she has been in several physical altercations. And at some point, you have to ask yourself, is it the men or is it her? And I think it's a combination of both. I think it's her and I think it's the men that she attracts, because at the end of the day, I don't care how angry a man is, he should never put his hands on you. It is alleged that Moneybag Yo ripped off her wig. Now, I don't know if this is true or not. I was waiting for videos, receipts to drop, but all we got was a car driving off. We really didn't get much. And we got some tweets, but really didn't see the altercation go down. We can only go off of rumors and speculations, but knowing Ariana Fletcher is most likely true. And this man ripped her wig off. So we've all seen Ariana Fletcher's wig in the styles that she likes to wear. She likes to wear lace fronts. Does she still have her edges? I'm just curious. I just want to know, does she still have her edges? Because as soon as I saw that, that's the first thing that I was concerned about. I'm like, are her edges okay?
Girl, like, are your edges okay? Like, girl, I hope your edges are okay.
Because I would not want that to be me. That is my worst fear, is for someone to snatch off my wig. Oh my God, my edges gone. When it comes to this topic of conversation, like, so many people give me a hard time because I like to focus on what us women can control instead of focusing on what men do and what they don't do. Because we can't control what men do and what they don't do. We can only control what we allow and what we tolerate. So I tend to focus on what we can control, what our power is. And our power is our influence. Our power is our feminine charm. Our power is being a feminine asset. I think it's a masculine trait to focus on what men do. I don't care what men do. I don't care if they rubbing their balls, scratching their ass. I don't care what they do. I'm not a man. I don't care. That don't have nothing to do with me.
Don't have nothing to do with me.
All I can do is worry about myself and focus on the things that I can control. So when it comes to Ariana Fletcher, this whole alleged physical altercation of domestic violence, because that's exactly what it was, how could she have changed this situation or scenario? Or how could she have avoided this type of situation? You see, girls like Ariana Fletcher, they hop from relationship to relationship and they don't take the time out to really heal themselves and work on themselves. And as a woman, we have full control over that. We can't control what these men do. You're going to bump into bad apples, rotten apples, and you're going to bump into good apples. But are you putting your best foot forward to attract that good apple? When it comes to women like Ariana Fletcher, I'm like, why don't y'all take some accountability, especially for women who have kids, children, who are trying to raise children? Why don't you guys just take a break and work on yourself? I think Ariana Fletcher, this is just my opinion, I think she suffers from abandonment issues. So I think her hopping from relationship to relationship is because she just hates being alone. A lot of people who suffer from abandonment issues hate being alone. And they don't like being alone, or they're very fearful of when people leave them. And if they don't heal that trauma, because I watched her vlog about how she talked about her father and how he basically was never there. So I'm sure she has some abandonment issues, and I think that's why she hops from relationship to relationship. Also, I think her environment is why she's attracted to the bad boy, the thug. And, you know, I learned at a very early age that a thug is not what you want. I've seen girls get shot up and live and have to live with the scars and all the multiple surgeries that they had to go through. So then that brought on more scars. You're too pretty for that lifestyle. I view women as this delicate flower, and you being with a thug, they don't know how to handle a delicate flower. They don't know how to respect a delicate flower. So why would you want to attract or be with a man like that? It doesn't make any sense. A man should not be aggressive with you in a way to where he's removing your lace front wig. Now, we all know that Ariana Fletcher most likely is not innocent when it comes to this situation, because she could be very, very aggressive and masculine back at men. And what I need people to understand, both men and women, you as a man should not be putting your hands on a woman, and you as a woman should not be putting your hands on a man under no circumstances. And I hate how within the Black community we normalize domestic violence as if it's not toxic. I mean, like, who wants to live the Ike and Tina lifestyle? I mean, by choice. Who? First of all, I'm too cute for that. Okay, I'm too cute for that. When you out here, first of all, as a woman, you out here fighting and scrapping and doing all that, how are you remaining cute? Like, I know you're breaking a nail, you're running the risk of getting your ear sliced because maybe you got your earrings in. Bruises is not cute when you're trying to wear a cute dress. I mean, why, sis? Why? Why is it that within the Black community, a woman being hard is a badge of honor. It's nuts. It's embarrassing. First of all, I'm never gonna fight a man. I'm never going to think I could ever go up against a man. I'm too cute for that. If a man puts his hands on me, I'm going to the police. I'm filing a police report. That's what grown women do. We don't scrap like men and fight them back. We don't break our nails. We don't rip our dresses. We don't slice our ears. We don't, for what? We don't bruise up our bodies. For what? If a man was to ever put his hands on me, I'm filing a police report. And I'm pressing charges. Period. But we all know Ariana Fletcher was reactive to whatever happened. Now they done made up. And that's what I don't like. And now they made up, and you know, she walked in a room and there was rose petals everywhere and a Dior bag, as if what he did was okay. As if what she did was okay. Domestic violence is not okay. And I'm really making this video because I need men and women to understand, stop putting your hands on each other. That's not love. That is not love. If it comes to blows, you guys really need to walk away from each other, because that's not love. Physically harming the next person is not love at all. So that's all that I have regarding this video. I wanted to talk about this a little bit, but I need the women who literally leave one relationship and hop in another, and it's like the same relationship because they didn't take the time out to work on themselves. Please take the time out to start working on yourself. If you find yourself in a relationship right now, whether it's romantic or it's a friendship, and it's the same thing, you need to reflect, take a step back, and work on yourself. Whether that's going to therapy, whether that's going to counseling, talking to someone that you trust, and really working on yourself to better yourself so that you can attract the right man in your life. So that's all that I have regarding this video, you guys. I would love your thoughts and opinions, so make sure you comment them down below. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in my next one.